You've installed Microsoft PowerToys, but before you start using all of its utilities, there are a few settings you should check. Spending just a couple of minutes configuring PowerToys now will give you a smoother experience and make sure the tools are always ready when you need them. Open Microsoft PowerToys and make sure you're on the General page. This section controls how the application behaves in the background. The first setting to look at is Run at Startup. If you plan to use utilities like Always on Top, PowerToys Run, or Text Extractor regularly, enable this option. It allows PowerToys to launch automatically whenever Windows starts, so you don't have to remember to open it manually. Next, check Download Updates automatically. Microsoft frequently improves PowerToys with new features, bug fixes, and performance updates. Keeping automatic updates enabled ensures you're always using the latest version. Take a look at the theme option. You can choose Light, Dark, or System Default. This doesn't affect functionality, but matching the Windows theme makes PowerToys feel more integrated with the operating system. If you don't want PowerToys running with administrator privileges all the time, leave. Always run as administrator disabled. Only enable it if you know you need administrator access for specific utilities. Now scroll through the list of utilities on the left. Every PowerToys feature has its own on-off switch. If there's a utility you know you'll never use, you can disable it. Turning off unused modules keeps the interface cleaner and may reduce background resource usage. Click on Shortcut Guide for a moment. Every utility has customizable keyboard shortcuts. If one of the default shortcuts conflicts with software you already use, you can change it here. Taking a minute to personalize shortcuts can make PowerToys much easier to use every day. Finally, remember that PowerToys stores your preferences automatically. As you explore more utilities, don't hesitate to adjust settings to match your own workflow. The application is designed to be flexible, so you only enable the features that help you. With these settings configured, your PowerToys installation is ready for daily use. In the next video, we'll look at one of the most popular utilities in the entire collection, Always on Top, a feature that lets you pin any window above all others with a simple keyboard shortcut.